If your Ndop rice is always sticky or mushy, you are probably boiling it the wrong way. Today, I will show you the exact method to get perfectly cooked Ndop rice, fluffy and delicious every time. Welcome back to Nagai's Haven. Today, we are focusing on something simple but very important: how to boil Ndop rice the right way so it comes out perfect every time. Now, let's get straight into the process. The very first thing to do is to measure your rice. For today, I'm using 4 cups of rice. Measure the rice and place it on a tray or any flat pan and select all the dirt from the rice. Make sure you remove any sort of dirt ranging from tiny stones and rice hulks. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I had to remove from the rice. Now, pour in your rice into a bowl. Put some water on your gas and allow it to bubble. Once it starts bubbling, it's time to wash our rice. Now, this is Ndop rice. Pour enough water onto the rice and wash it thoroughly. This washing helps to remove the excess starch from the rice. Look at that starch. Look at how thick the water is. That's the starch. We wash the rice for about 3 to 4 times. For this particular rice, I wash up to 4 times. Wash until the water becomes clear. Then you know that at least you've reduced the starch. Another reason for washing it this much is also to prevent the rice from sticking onto the pot. Now look at it. Look at how clean the rice is at this time. Look at how clean it is. Now it's time to put my rice in my boiling water. Now put the rice slowly. Look at that amount of water in the pot. It's not much, it's just enough for this quantity of rice. I added a pinch of salt, though I didn't capture the moment, and allowed the rice to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I tested the rice to see if it was ready, but it was not ready, so I added small water. That's the secret, guys. Add water in bits. Don't just pour water onto the rice. Then allow it to boil for some few minutes. Now my rice is ready. You can eat this rice with any soup, with tomato sauce, with beans, stewed beans, with peanut soup. It tastes so amazing, guys. Final tips, my people. Always wash your rice well. Keep heat low during final cooking. My people, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Nagai's Haven for more cooking tips and delicious recipes. Let me know in the comment section, do you prefer your rice soft or firm? See you in my next video. Bye bye.